Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel, where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we'll be making the simple pencil case. So this is the inside of the pencil purse, and it's a very simple purse you can use as add-on for your customers when they come to buy school bag or lunch bag. Let's get started. So you need one piece of any material of your choice. You need your zipper cloth and your zip puller. So you can use one or two. So you need the small strap. The length is 2 inches and the breadth is 1 inch. So you need two of it. The width of this is 12 inches and the length is 9 inches. So we need one of this. So we also need a piping strap. I will just use this to cover the tip like this and sew. So it's not compulsory you use it. You can just sew your material directly to your zipper cloth and top stitch. But I just want to use this like this. So I stitch it straight and I repeat the same with this part. I stitch it straight. So this is what we have when I'm done stitching the both side. What we'll do next is that we'll place it on our zipper cloth like this, and then you stitch it up straight. And when you're done stitching it, you open your zipper cloth like this. We'll place the other part of our material on the zipper cloth this way, and we also stitch it straight and cut off the excess. So this is what we have. If you know you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button on your screen. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and do wait to give this video a thumbs up if you learned anything from this video. So we just turn it to the wrong side, the way I'm doing like this. Be careful with the zip puller so it won't fall off. So you just have to be gentle with this. So I will just zip it up like this, and after that we fold it this way and we give it a notch. So we repeat the same with this part. We'll fold it like this and give it a notch. So what we'll be doing next is that we'll fold it this way. Make sure your zip is facing the notch point like this, and then remember the small strap. You fold it into equal half like this, and then we place it inside. Make sure it's right on the notch point. So we're using our clip to hold it down. You stitch it straight and we repeat the same for this side. You fold your strap into two. We place it on the notch point, and then I will also use a clip to hold it down. And you stitch it. So we stitch both sides. So this is what we have when you're done stitching. So now we'll fold the purse like this, and then you measure 1 inch. 1 inch. So I'll be marking 1 inch for the four edges. Now we stitch all the line, all the marked line. So this is what we have. We have to cut the excess out. And our purse is ready. So we just turn it to the right side. So this is what we have. It's a simple pencil purse. Can put in pencil, pen, and any other thing. So it's a very good add-on for your school bag and lunch bag, and you can sell it on its own. Looking so neat. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do well to subscribe, share, like. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.